I'm going to say my last thing is don't forget, family, we put the challenge out to you to be solutions ready. If you remember what that is, your name on your screen when you log into Zoom, no funky names. Your background, what's your background look like? If you're not going to put yourself up live, what's your professional headshot look like? Right? Not on a beach somewhere. This is solution space. We're going to be professional. So we challenged you to get ready. So by next Monday, when you have all these great top trainers on and all these top people, you want to be presenting yourself in a professional setting. So think about that. You've got a week to get it together. If you need help, reach out to your upline or others that have stuff like that. But we're challenging everybody and we're going to go through and look through our participants to see what y'all look like, while you're on the Zoom with us. Okay. So, have a great week. Make it a great end of year. We're so happy to be a part of this with you. And, we're looking forward to next year, right, Ken?
Yes, we are. Kathy, before you jump, can you let them know, because folks, we don't assume that everyone actually know how to do certain things when it comes to virtual backgrounds. We will have some more virtual backgrounds. What you see behind me is a virtual background.